Life, OP3 and OP5, swing gate control board wiring. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Auto Door Surgeon. Today, in this video, I will explain the complete wiring, connections of the Life OP3 and OP5 swing gate opener control board in a very easy way, step by step. This control board is used for dual swing gate motors and supports photocells, flashing light, electric lock, push button, and remote receiver connections. Before starting wiring, always switch OF off the 230-volt main power for safety. This board works with Life OP3 and OP5 swing gate motors for residential and commercial gates. Now, let's start terminal by terminal explanation. Connection: Life Photocell. This is a single pair of photocell. This receiver and this transmitter. Terminal 15 and Terminal 16 is the 24-volt power supply of the photocell. Terminal 12 is PHOTO safety. Terminal 6 is common of the PHOTO safety. This safety, working when door closing. In opening this safety, not working. If you want safety in opening and closing, then connect Terminal 11. Motor connections. Now, let's connect the motors. First, select the Motor 1 and Motor 2. Motor 1 is first opening and Motor 2 after 2 seconds. So, carefully check, then do this connection. Motor R connection. Terminal 17 is open direction terminal of the Motor 2. Terminal 18 is common terminal of the Motor 2. Terminal 19 is close direction phase terminal of the Motor 2. Capacitor connects between Terminal 17 and Terminal 19. Motor Y connection. Terminal 20 is open direction terminal of the Motor 1. Terminal 21 is common terminal of the Motor 1. Terminal 22 is closed direction phase terminal of the Motor 1. Capacitor connects between Terminal 20 and Terminal 22. Flashing light connection. Terminal 23 and 25 are for flashing lamp. Output: 230-volt AC, 25 watts maximum. The flashing light works during gate movement. Main power supply. Line by Sensor AC. After all, wiring is complete. Switch on the power and test the system carefully. Always use proper grounding. Use correct capacitor value for motors. Terminals E and R. Antenna connection. These terminals are for the aerial antenna. Terminal 1 is a shield or ground. Terminal 2 is antenna's signal wire. Use RG58 coaxial cable for better remote range. Terminal loop. Common. Terminal 6 is the common terminal for all command inputs. This common terminal 6 is used together with terminal stop, terminal open, terminal close, terminal step, terminal photo inputs, terminal T, stop input. Terminals 6 and 7 are stop command terminals. This is normally closed contact, NC. If no stop switch is used, keep a jumper wire between 6 and 7. If the jumper is removed, the gate will not move. Terminal bas. Open command. Terminal 6 and 8 are open input terminals. Used for push button, access control, intercom relay. When shorted, the gate opens only. Terminals 6 and 9 are close input terminals. When shorted, the gate closes only. Terminal shear, step by step. Terminals 6 and 10 are step input terminals. This is the most commonly used command. Operation sequence of this terminal. Open gives stop, gives close, gives stop. Usually, remote receiver output connects here. Terminal SHI, Photo E safety. Terminal 6 and 11 are PHOT01 terminals. This is normally closed safety input. Used for photocells during opening and closing. If photocell is not installed, place a jumper between 6 and 11. Terminal SHAR, photo safety. Terminals 6 and 12 are also photocell safety input terminals. Normally closed contact. If unused, keep jumper between 6 and 12. Check motor direction before final programming. So, friends, this was the complete barrier and sliding door technical videos.